I'm Poonam Mahajan. By profession, I'm an advocate and I practice at Bombay, which involves a lot of traveling. I had come here by a reference of our family friend, Mr. Shastrabuddhe. He just told me that why don't you go and try, you are having back pain. So there are these two doctors who are conducting a course which helps a lot of back pain, knee pain. I came here with a lot of doubts. I was not very confident that it would really help. Unfortunately, I could not come on the first day. I came here directly on the second day. But on the second day, that is my first day. In the first session of exercise, I was very miserable and I was wondering whether something is improving or something is really going very wrong. But at the end of the 3 sittings that they take in one session, I found that it was extremely helpful and the pain had started reducing from that day itself. When I went back home in the evening, till evening I was feeling fine and again the back pain started. I contacted the doctor. She told me that if you can avoid the painkiller, do avoid it, but if it is not possible, then you can have your medicine. I avoided the painkillers and the benefit of that I saw on the second day. That second day, after doing the entire session, I was very, very comfortable and the movements, body movements had changed. I was feeling lighter and not only that, I could feel a considerable difference in the total approach altogether. At the end of the last session, I felt as if I am almost without any ailment. The knee had improved considerably, the back pain had gone, and I feel that this is a course for which everybody should go, even if the person does not have any problem. Because it is not necessary that you should have a problem and then go for such type of courses, but if without any problems also, because there are very small basic corrections in our posture, in our walking style, and if these things are corrected at the earliest, in the long run it is very helpful. In fact, my suggestion to both these doctors would be that if you start at the school level and correct all these things, or at least guide these younger children, they would be saved from a lot many problems, like which after 10 years you come to know, oh, all this while you were sleeping in a wrong way or you've been walking in a wrong way, and then correction becomes very difficult. So I wish all the best to both these doctors and I hope more and more people will get the benefit of it. I would also want to tell that I did the course only for 3 days. I did not do it for 5 days. But despite doing it only for 3 days, the results were very fantastic. I lost almost 1.5 kg and without any diet or anything of that sort. Rather, here in breakfast, we get samosa and vada to eat, but despite that, there was weight loss and tremendous difference in inch loss. Means in the overall body, there was almost, I think, 10 to 12 inches weight loss measurements changes were there just in 3 days. So if one really does it sincerely and continues with it, it would give very fantastic results. And I wish all the best to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.